1039 WDKX is WDKX Wake Up Club. Tariq, DJ Site, and myself, Rain. And we have Dr. Harbin here. We are at the water cooler on 1039 WDKX. Good morning, Dr. Harbin.
Good morning. Good morning, Rochester.
Dr. Harbin, I got some good news. Going to get the shot next week. You all know that COVID shot is a nerve-wracking moment, but going next week to get that bad boy done.
Hey, you got me breakdancing up here, and they don't even breakdance anymore. So I am very happy.
Well, listen, it comes with a lot of anxiety.
You know what? Get the shot. I was one of the first in the area to get the shot, and definitely I think the first at Jordan to get it, just to show I'm still standing, and I feel protected. I'm still taking precautions, but at least I have extra protection. Go get yourself protected. I am very happy about that, and I'm happy that they have opened up the age range so that more and more people can be inspired by you to go and get it.
But Dr. Harbin, they sure did it quickly. I mean, they went from 40 and over to 30 and over to 16 and over starting next week. And then I just read something, Pfizer might have something for kids under than that age, younger than that age.
I just saw that the pilot that they're doing testing, and they're showing that kids, I think from 10, they're doing the 10 to 12 years of age. But it's 100%. They have shown with the younger kids so far it's 100%. So the preteens and the teens, that is great news that their protection is even greater than ours. So wow. I'm very happy. It's giving us hope.
Dr. Janice Harbin joins us now of Jordan Health. If you need their services, we'll give you the number in a matter of moments. I just want to make sure people understand, if you're a patient of Jordan Health, what do they have to do if you're a patient of Jordan Health and you're looking for the COVID-19 vaccine going forward? Do you guys have it?
We do have it, and we were selected one of the out of 1,400 federal clinics in the nation. We're one of the 250 that the government is sending us the vaccine directly. We have opened up our respiratory clinic, so 2 days a week, and we're looking at 3 days a week to be given vaccines. I'm in communication right now with some of, I will begin talking to some of the churches, because we're going to go ahead and try to go more into the community, so it's just not our patients getting tested, but we're more in the community, so that, and partner with some of these churches who partners and fellowship with other churches to get people vaccine on the weekend. So we're working on that right now, and hopefully in a week I'll be able to make an announcement about that.
1039 WDKX. This is WDKX Wake Up Club. We're here with Dr. Harbin from Jordan Health Center with not Health Beats. That's
No, but that leads into my question though, because right. It's interesting. Yesterday on the show, we were talking about this off air, Dr. Harbin. That's why she was thinking of Health Beats. Yesterday on the show, we had Nurse Bowick on talking a bit about STDs. And in that way, there was an alarming number of STDs in the Monroe County area. Can you sort of talk about it? Obviously not giving out anybody's personal information, but I know you see those numbers. What is your concern about the high rate of STDs in our area?
Well, I think the high rate that we really do have to take healthcare seriously. We have to take prevention seriously. And so, again, we have an adolescent program for young adults, and we're trying to get the word out. They need to come and get their checkups. They need to use prevention and protection. It's no shame to say, you come in our centers, we have a bowl of condoms right there that you don't have to be a patient. We got a bag for you. Protect yourself. You protect yourself, you protect your family, you protect your community. So the mom is coming out of me right now, because I cannot stress that enough, that we need to talk to our doctors, we need to listen to the science, and we need to know that we have to look out for us.
Would you say, just you being a doctor, and in your opinion, because from the numbers going up, and this past year with the pandemic and people not using protection like they should, does the pandemic have something to do with it? Like maybe people not having access to protection?
No, I think that at the end of the day, keep in mind that we're trying to get people back into the doctor's office. So the pandemic just got to the point that with the distancing and trying to figure out what was going on, people were not going in to see their doctors. The patients that had more serious medical problems, the doctors was reaching out and talking to them through telehealth, telemedicine. But what we're encouraging that, first of all, protect yourself. You know, there's PrEP, there's protection. Protect yourself. That's something you could do, pandemic or no pandemic. And go and get physical checkups. Find out what's going on with your body. And there's places available, including #1 Jordan Health, for you to get that done.
Dr. Harbin, before you go, one last follow-up on the STDs. Even if you're in a committed relationship, protect yourself?
Well, you know what? I'm old school. So you may be committed. You got to make sure that your partner's committed, too. So I would say, like, you're so if that's something you're very sure about, but I'm old school, so I know what I'm doing. I don't know what other people are doing. So that's judgment. I'm keeping it real. You want me to keep it real? I'm keeping it real.
I hear you. No. But that's why I brought that up. I think a lot of people are in committed relationships and are thinking to themselves, well, I'm in a committed relationship. I don't need protection or whatever. I don't know, whatever your situation is. And that's part of the problem. I'm not saying it's the whole problem. I'm saying it's part of the problem. And so there's a lot of the problem that they deal with. Dr. Janice Harbin joins us now, 423-5800, 423-5800. Please call Anthony L. Jordan Center if you have health questions, if you don't have a primary care physician, if you're looking for a pediatrician, if you're looking for a dentist, if you're looking for just health services, for somebody to pick up the phone on the other end, 423-5800, 423-5800. We appreciate you keeping it real, Dr. Harbin.
Well, I appreciate you guys, and there's blessings, and my prayers continue to be with WDKX, and everyone have a happy Easter.
All right. Hopefully nothing goes wrong with my shot, and I talk to you next Wednesday.
Oh, nothing's gonna talk to me about nothing's going wrong with that shot. Because you're gonna be an ambassador for all the ones that's gonna follow you. So you're the ambassador. Let's get that shot done. Let me know if I need to come and hold your hand, socially distance.
All right. 103.9 WDKX, the Wake Up Club. Good morning.